gonna interview Ate Marilyn. She is our personal housemaid who demonstrates zeal for service through their dedication to helping others. We want to learn more about their experiences and what inspires them to serve. So, first question is, introduction muna tayo. So, what's your name?
I'm Marilyn Harabata.
And what do you do?
I'm cooking.
And how long have you been doing this?
I'm doing this for 18 years.
So, can you tell us a little about your background and what inspired you to help others?
Panganay ako sa 7 magkakapatid. Tinutulungan ko sila para mapagaan yung trabaho nila sa bahay at saka para matulungan ko na rin yung aking pamilya para makapagtapos ng pag-aaral aking mga kapatid.
So, yung third question, what does serving others mean to you?
Ang pagtulong sa ating kapwa ay mahalaga. Dito tayo nagiging masaya. Di sa ating mga Pilipino ang pagiging matulungin.
So, can you share a memorable experience where you were able to make a positive difference in someone's life?
Siguro yung isang kaibigan ko na natulungan ko na nawawala na siya ng pag-asa. Then after nun, advice lang. Tapos, naging okay naman siya.
Okay. So, what motivates you to continue serving even when it's difficult or tiring?
Siguro kahit nakakapagod minsan, siguro minomotivate ko ay yung para matulungan ko lang yung aking pamilya.
Okay. So, what challenges have you faced while helping others? And how did you overcome them?
Minsan, sa trabaho, kahit nahihirapan ako, lagi kong iniisip ang aking pamilya para magpursige at matulungan sila.
Okay. So, have you ever received recognition for your service?
Yung napapakita nila na masaya sila sa ginagawa ko.
Okay. So, anong nafe-feel mo dahil doon?
Napaproud ako sa sarili ko.
So, what advice would you give students who want to develop a stronger spirit of service?
Siguro, ang may advice ko lang sa mga student ay palagi lang mapagpakumbaba, mapagmahal sa kapwa, at lalong-lalo magdasal palagi.
Okay. So, thank you so much for sharing your experiences with us. Your story reminds us that serving others doesn't always require grand actions. Small acts of kindness done consistently and sincerely can have a meaningful impact. So, we appreciate your time and hope your example inspires others to serve their communities. Thank you.
Miss Marilyn's story taught us the value of humble service and faith. After working as a maid for 18 years, she showed dedication, patience, and strength. Her advice to always stay humble and pray reminds us to serve others sincerely, stay grateful, and trust God during challenges. Thank you.